Okay guys, this is another seriously weird golf course. So majority of the golf course is down here underneath the ropes course. Here's hole 1. Let's take a look here. And then I think this is hole 2. Yep, hole 2. It's fairly simple, but still fun. And then here is hole 3. Hole 4 though. Hole 4 is up these stairs. And we're upstairs. Here is hole 4. Hole 4. And hole 5. Wow, this one's a fancy hole. Check this out. Up here, depending on which side you go in, you either get a hole in one or you get dumped out over here. All right, hole 6 is over here. Here's hole 6.
Yeah.
And hole 7 is right here.
Yep, I got you.
Here's hole 7. Now, where, might you ask, is hole 8? Well, hole 8 is down these stairs. So, hole 1, 2, 3 downstairs, 4, 5, 6, 7 upstairs. Hole 8 back downstairs. Here's hole 8 and hole 9 of the mini golf course. The mini golf course is right in the middle of the sports deck, and there's also Carnival over here. So there you are. There is hole 9 of the mini golf course. One thing I like about mini golf courses on Carnival is that they have golf clubs for all sizes of people.